Directus versus Strapi. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which Headless CMS comes out on top. Make sure to like and subscribe. First is features. Strapi is one of the most popular Node.js headless CMS platforms, offering strong plugin support and an active ecosystem. Directus turns SQL databases into APIs with a full admin interface. Next is learning curve. Strapi is developer friendly but has a learning curve when extending functionality. Directus is easier for teams who want an instant UI and less coding. When it comes to customization, Strapi allows flexible customization with plugins and custom code. Directus focuses more on managing structured data quickly without much configuration. Next is audience. Strapi is great for developers and companies that want long-term extensibility. Directus is better for teams who want data-driven apps fast with minimal development. For its value, both are open source, but Strapi has enterprise plans. Directus plays lean and community-driven. The verdict is go with Strapi if you need a robust ecosystem and long-term scalability. Pick Directus if you want a lightweight, fast solution with less setup. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.